Effect of AI on web development. Hi, this is Srishanth Reddy and welcome to Srishanth Tech Hub. In this video, let's quickly explore how AI is changing web development in 2024. AI is making everything easier, from faster coding to smarter designs. So let's begin. AI to make coding faster. First, let's talk about how AI is helping developers to code faster. Tools like GitHub Copilot and even ChatGPT have become more popular. They help you to generate code as you text with them. For example, if you start writing a code to develop a navbar, then these tools can complete it for you. So you can just focus on complex tasks. These tools just help you to do small tasks, whichever you need to do again and again, and saves more time as well. AI for better design. AI is also making web design smarter. Tools like Figma AI helps designers to create user-friendly websites by analyzing user data. This means AI can suggest layouts, colors, and even make changes based on how users interact with the websites. This doesn't mean designers won't be inlaid, still they will be having demand, but AI makes their work faster and more accurate. AI for Content and SEO. AI is also helping with content creation and SEO. Tools like Jasper and Frase can generate content for websites and even help to improve their SEO. This is the biggest benefit for the businesses who want to post more content in their websites and improve their SEO rankings. Conclusion. So by seeing all of these, we can understand that how AI is changing the way we design and develop websites. I'm not saying AI will replace web developers and designers, still they'll be having more jobs. But in the future, without having knowledge on these tools, may become hard you to compete with your code developers. So that's all for the video. I hope this video has added some value for you. If yes, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what are your thoughts about AI on web development. Stay updated with Srishanth Tech Hub. And still, if you have any doubts, let me know in the comments below. See you in the next one. Bye bye.